This is how you make a bass dropping noise. For EDM and hip hop, this is that noise that goes right at the beginning of a breakdown or, some epic buildup. It's pretty easy. You actually just use Ableton's operator instrument. I already have it loaded in here. And then when you get it, you're going to select your waveform to be a triangle, because that's the easiest to work with. This is actually a remix I'm working on. Keep it on the hush hush. Right now you have that noise, which is kind of lame. But then if you do your pitch envelope, make it 100%. And then the pitch starts right there. You're going to have your sustain be minus however low you want to go. And then, ta-da! Have a really cool bassy, droppy sound that can get you prepared for some type of epic buildup. And that is, of course, just the basics of doing it in 30 seconds. Watch my video tomorrow, and I'll show you a little more in-depth on how to modify that. Oh, and if you haven't clicked subscribe already, please do it. I make a video every single day. This is the 365 days of Ableton training. So by the end of the year, you'll be as good at this as I am. Cheers.